Guys, trusting the vision is very tough. You know why? Because vision is just in your head. It's just an idea. It's just something that is not physical. That is the reason most people do not get the results that they want, because they are not able to believe in something that is not physical, that is not tangible. मतलब जब तक कोई चीज़ बिल्कुल प्रेजेंट नहीं कर लेती खुद को, you are not going to believe in that. And that is the reason magical things or very big success does not happen to normal average people. It happens to the people who believe in vision, who believe in like crazy dreams. You have to become that person who can believe in that crazy dream. And क्या आप खुद को तब समझदार कहोगे जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स ला चुके हो? When you are scoring 95%, तब ही आप खुद को समझदार समझोगे, या फिर when you are writing, when you are preparing for that exam, when you are practicing everything, from there on एक प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाता है जो एक इंसान को टॉपर बना देता है. ठीक है? So are you not calling yourself very smart and topper when you are in the process? Don't you think if you're putting the extra effort, you are already doing very well? If you can believe in yourself during the process, your results are going to be so much better than the people who just believe in the outcomes, who just believe in the physical outcomes. Okay, I'll give you one example, and that example is such an eye opener. It was such an eye opener for me when I came across that. It was really mind blowing. So guys, there was this one social media influencer. Her name is Hema Gill. I'm a huge fan of her because she has really changed my life, and my belief system has really been boosted by what she has done in life. Okay, so she is a dark skinned person, and we know Indian mindset, we know how our society does not value dark skin. Okay, so this woman, she believed in herself, and she just believed in herself irrespective of what other people were saying. उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा कि तुम लोग क्या कह रहे हो. She just worked towards her dream of becoming an influencer and a kind of a model. Okay, and she has now been featured. She has now been featured in a hit song, a very hit Punjabi song, which is quite a big deal, guys. Imagine where her self-belief has taken her. Imagine. Guys, just think about it. अगर उसने, हेमा ने, किसी से भी अपने बाहर, अपने समाज में, अपने आस पड़ोस में कहीं भी पूछा होता कि आई वॉन्ट टू गो इन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री एंड दिस इज़ माई बिग ड्रीम, किसने उसको सपोर्ट किया होता? और किसने ये कहा होता कि हाँ यार, दिस इज़ तो सो ईजी फॉर यू, यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट? किसने कहा होता? लाइक पीपल वुड हैव रियली laughed behind her back or even sometimes on the face. I can imagine what she has went through because she has also shared it on her own social media platform. So we know how the society is. Nobody stood with her and nobody really cheered her, and still she made it big, and she is making it big every single day. You can see her socials and it's just amazing. The self-belief is just amazing.